Run certain code every n seconds. Is there a way to, for example, print hello world every n seconds? For example, the program would go through whatever code I had, then once it had been 5 seconds, with time.sleep, it would execute that code. I would be using this to update a file though, not print hello world. For example.
That'll run as a function. The while true column makes it run forever. You can always take it out of the function if you need.
This URL.
My humble take on the subject, a generalization of Alex Martelli's answer, with start and stop control. Usage. Features. Standard library only, no external dependencies. Start and stop are safe to call multiple times even if the timer has already stopped. Function to be called can have positional and named arguments. You can change interval anytime, it will be effective after next run. Same for args, quargs and even function.
Save yourself a schizophrenic episode and use the advanced Python scheduler. The code is so simple.
It was for today. Please consider liking and subscribing.